Hello sir, good day. My name is Janice P. Pakot from BSMT third year Canopus. For today's video, I'm going to explain about the topic on the introduction to navigational charts, which are the raster and vector. So I'm going to explain what are their differences and what are their uses that aids to the navigational use. So first, I'm going to introduce the navigational chart. So navigational charts are one essential tools for safe and efficient navigation, providing vital information about waterways, about hazards and landmarks. So these raster and vector are the same chart, but there's different uses and factors on about the advantages and the disadvantages of the uses of their information. So now we're going to discuss the raster navigational chart. So raster charts are digital images of traditional paper charts, preserving the original layout and information. So what are their advantages? So the advantages of raster navigational charts is easy to use and readily available, and their disadvantages large file sizes, static and difficult to update. Now we have to discuss the vector navigational chart. So vector charts represent geographic feature as mathematical objects, allowing for flexibility and scalability. So what are their scalability? So their scalability is to zoom in and out without losing detail. And what is the interactive of vector is to allow for layers to be displayed and hidden. And the data driven is dynamically update information. And lastly, connectivity seamlessly connect to other digital systems. So the vector navigational chart is one of the most common used on navigation vector charts. So what are the differences between raster and vector charts? So raster charts have based on pixels and static, limited zoom capabilities, large file sizes, while vector charts have based on mathematical objects and dynamic, seamlessly zoom and pan, and lastly smaller file sizes. So the summary of differences on raster and vector. So the resolution is fixed. On raster fixed can degrade with zooming, while vector scalable maintains quality at all zoom levels. So this is their differences which we tackled on the differences on scalability, interactive, data driven, and connectivity of their uses. So what are their key differences between information layers, user chart layers, and event? So for the information layers, they can go underlie data like depth contours and buoys. So for the user chart layers added by the user such as routes and waypoints. And the event records events like changes in course and speed. So raster and vector have the same capabilities on having information layers, user chart layers, and event. They have same capabilities which can use for navigational aid. They have the same common uses. So for the conclusion, selecting the right navigational chart is crucial for safe maritime operations. Chart type choice depends on voyage needs and navigator preferences. Raster charts provide visual intuition, while vector charts offer customization flexibility. Understanding these differences is the key to an informed decision. Beyond chart type, navigators must consider overlaid information layers, user chart layers, and event data, each providing valuable context and situational awareness. Ultimately, chart selection requires carefully balancing operational needs and navigator preferences to ensure the most relevant end user tools. So that will be the explanation on the differences on uses of raster and vector navigational charts. Thank you, sir, and God bless.